Hello, Little Miss Dropstitch has gained lots of subscribers lately and I wanted the chance to thank you all by running a competition. So I'm going to do a competition for all the tools and materials you'll need to make this lovely unicorn wreath. And we've also got a long and short tutorial on our channel to make that. So you'll get all this lovely, the sparkles, ribbon, the wool, this is actually 100% Peruvian, nice and fluffy, pom-pom maker, the ring to make the wreath, ribbon, felt and beautiful glitter felt. So the closing date is Saturday the 23rd of March, and to enter you'll need to like this video, be a subscriber and leave any comment you'd like below. There's always some ruffian trying to spoil it, so I will only need the winner's name and address to post. It's open worldwide. I'll never need bank details, email, telephone, anything like that, and we'll do a video revealing the winner. So thank you and do enter.